Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. In my previous session, I discussed the basic introduction to Python language. Today, we discuss the basic functions which is used in Python language, also the string literals and its operations. It have lots of operations, so we discuss some of them today. Okay. Also, I will discuss the underscore variable which is used in Python language. So, go for it. So, at first, we should know what is this. Actually, this triple greater than is the prompt of the interactive Python interpreter, meaning that the interpreter is ready to get Python statements or code which is typed in here. Okay, so when this prompt will come, then we type our Python code here. Okay, and whatever the code we want to run, we can write here. Okay, in Python there are lots of functions are present like print, exit and many more. Okay, so first we write our print function. So we just write print, and suppose we write some string, suppose write here Arnab, and we should write the string within a single quote. Okay, and if we press enter, so it will print Arnab, and also this prompt will come here. Okay, the string can also given within a double quotation, means in Python the string literal can be given either in a single quote or in a double quotation mark. So the same way, the same output will come here and the prompt is there. Okay, now take another example of print function. Suppose we write print and we write Arnab's channel, right? Here we are providing both single and double quotation. What happened? Our total string is Arnab's channel, but within the string one of the single word is Arnab's. So here we are using single quote, means within double quote we can use a single quote also. Okay, so the output will be like that, Arnab's channel. Also we can write the same string in different format. Like that we can write in that way, single quote, and after we write Arnab, and then we write a backslash, then give single quote s, and then we write double quote channel, and after we end the single quote. Means here what happened? Within double quote we use a single quote, but here within a single quote we are using double quote. And what happened when using this single quote? We are using this single quote s, means apostrophe s. When you're using to escape this single quote here, we are using this backslash. That means it will print Arnab's channel here. Means what happened? This backslash will skip this Arnab's, apostrophe s will come here, and Arnab's channel is provided as an output. So in Python, string literals are surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation marks. Okay, so this is the example, means either we write our string within a double quotation or we can write in a single quotation. But within a single quotation, if any single quotation are used as a normal character, then we should use this backslash. Now go for the another example. Suppose we want to print within single quote d colon slash, means a path we want to print, and d colon slash, suppose the folder name is drive and there is a folder node. Okay, and what will be the output? What happened? For that case the output will be drive t colon slash drive, and after it will print ODE Y. What happened? For this example, within this string we are using backslash n, and this backslash n It is also known as new line character. So what happens when we want to print that? It print up to drive, D to drive. That's why first line D to drive. Then it will execute /n. So /n means new line. So that's why it's go to the new line. And after, the rest of the character is print, ODE. Okay. So we can use in that case the another special letter, either smaller or capital R. So this type of use is known as in Python is a raw string. So the example can written in that way, smaller, and then just write whatever you given the within the above example. And now if you want to print that, so it will print the string whatever you are written into there. That means when the letter smaller or capital R is used as prefix to a string literals, it becomes a raw string. That means this will be treated as a raw string. Means now within that, whatever the new line, whatever the other character is there, it's treated just a normal character. That's why it's print the everything. Okay. Now go for the another example of the print. Suppose we have written print and we are write 5 asterisk, and suppose we are write here technical. Okay. So what happen if we write that the technical, this word will print 5 times. Okay. So when we write print and after 5 asterisk within single quote the string, suppose technical, so what happen? It will print 5 times the string whatever we have written. The technical will print 5 times. Now we talk about the underscore variable. Python automatically stores the value of the last expression in the interpreter to a particular variable called underscore. Okay. That means this underscore variable defines the previous or last result. How? Suppose in the prompt we are write 2 plus 3. So what we print? 5. Now we just write underscore plus 7. So what we print? This underscore is stored the last result. The last result is 5. So 5 plus 7, it will 12. So it will print 12. Okay. Similarly, suppose we are write a equal to underscore and enter. So what happen? If we want to print a, it will print again 12 because the last value is 12. So the 12 is stored into a. Now when we want to print the value of a, then we get 12. That means this particular underscore variable is special variable. It stores the last or previous result. Okay. Now we talk another topic using string related, which is slice notation. And the notation is like that. Within third bracket have some colon. Okay. And before colon, suppose m is there, and after colon, suppose n is there. Okay. So what is that? I am discuss later. A slice in Python is powerful way of referring to subparts of a string. Okay. It is a special operator of string in Python. The slice notation within third bracket m colon n returns the part of the string from mth character to the nth character, including the first but excluding the last. Means if we omit the second index, the slice goes to the end of the string. There is no index out of range exception for a slice. Okay. So go for an example. So this is a prompt is there. Suppose we write name equal to technical. Okay. Within single quote, I am already told. So the prompt will return, and after that when you write name and enter, so what happen? It will print just technical. So what happen actually? If we write technical, TECHNICAL, the indexing is like that. It starts from 0 and goes from left to right. So it will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So there is a 9 character, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's why it starts from 0 to 8. Now the negative index is also applied. It is a -1, it is a -2, it is a -3, it is your -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and -9. Okay. Now we already discussed the indexing of a string. Okay, now go for the example. Suppose you have write name and if we put 0, so what is the output? It will provide as output only T. Why? Because 0th index character is T. Next example, suppose we are write name and -7. So what will be the output? For the -7 index, the character is C. So that's why the output is C. Okay. For the another example, suppose we are using now the slice. Suppose we write here 0:2. Okay. So 0 means from there it will start and up to 1 because 1 less should be there. So it will print just TE because 0 position is T, just before 2 is 1. So E is there, so TE will be there. For the second example, if we will take name and suppose we take 1:6. So what will be the output? 1 position will be E, so it start from E, just go for there. 6 is C, so we go up to 5, so go up to I. So ECHNI will be the output. Okay. Now go for the another example. Suppose we write name and suppose we are write 2:5. Okay. So 2 index start with the character C, means the index 2 contain the character C and it go up to the 4 because this 5 is there, just before 5 is 4. So what will be the output? CHN. So output will be CHN. Okay. So in that way the slicing will work actually. Again we take another example. Suppose we write 6 colon and we don't put anything. So what will be the output? 6 position will C. So what happen if we don't put anything? So it will go up to the last. So CAL will be your output. Now if we write name and suppose we are write here -1 colon and we don't put anything. So what will be the output? So -1 position is the character is L, so it just print the L. Now to another example, suppose we are write within single quote technical and after we are write the slicing, just write 2 colon and we don't put here anything. So what will be the output? Same thing, 0, 1, 2. So this is the position, so it will print CHNICAL. Why? Because from 2 it will print rest of that because there is nothing, because there is no limitations is there, means no index is given into there. That's why it start but it go up to the last L, so it will print CHNICAL. Okay. If we take single quote A is a one string and suppose the another string is within single quote BC. So there is a one string A and there is another string is BC. When we use this concatenate operator, it will concatenate these two and we get as output ABC. Okay. Now go for the another example. Suppose we want to print 5 into a string within single quote given A. So what happen? It will print 5A continuously. Okay. Now take another example. Suppose we have put name equal to a string Arnab we given in a single quotation. Now you want to print the length of the string, so using the len function. So if we write len and after that we write the variable name and we want to print that, so it will print 5 because Arnab word contain 5 letter, so it will print 5. Okay. Now suppose we do some operation like that. So there is a name which contain the string Arnab and we want to put in the 0th index a character, means we want to replace A as suppose B. Okay. So it will give an error. Why? Because should remember string is immutable in Python, means we don't change the index value. So here what happened, we want to change the index value of the 0th position. So it is not permissible in Python. Why? Because in Python, string is immutable. Okay, I hope you have understood this topic. More topics will come in my upcoming videos. So keep watching. Thank you.